In 2025, there are a lot of people using repeating patterns generated by AI to make money online. And let me show you what I mean here. So you actually get a pretty good profit margin on something like a shower curtain. So this person's on Etsy, they got the bestseller tag in 20 plus carts, and it's just a shower curtain with mushrooms and trees and different foliage and flowers. And the same thing is true for this shower curtain. They're actually selling this one for 125 plus. And then there's this simple shower curtain with a repeating diamond pattern selling for 60. All of them have bestseller tags or Etsy Picks tags. This mug here is a repeating pattern. It's sold over 1,000 times and these sales are rising. And it has obviously the bestseller tag as well. And today I'm not only going to show you how to create these designs easily, I'm also going to show you how to convert a design into a repeatable pattern. Maybe you have a graphic already, but it's not a pattern. I want to show you how to do that with one click and how to make easy adjustments. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to use this fruit example here, but before we get started, click on the video description and then the free Google Doc, and it will have a link to Playground AI so that you can also use this free tool to go ahead and try it out for yourself. But what I'm going to do is use this as an example, and I'm actually able to change this design however I want to. So it says down here, what do I want to change? And that could be adding something or it could be removing something. So I'm going to say add some ants in between the fruit. And there we go. It basically generated what looked like ants into the design. It's a little bit messed up. You know, their legs look kind of weird, but we can verify the pattern here and we can see that this is indeed a seamless repeating pattern and our ants have been added to the design. So for example, if we were inspired by this golden retriever design, we could simply go back to Playground, find something similar, like this one's pretty close, and then just change it to whatever we want it to be. So in this case, change the tree into a golden retriever, and let's see what we get back from this. All right, so it looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. We can verify the pattern to see that this is indeed a pattern. So let's go ahead and download this. All we need to do is hit export. And if I was a pro, I could simply upscale and remove the background, and we could just do that here. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the free version. Just go ahead and download this. Okay, so once we're in Printify, you're gonna see a bunch of options for products. You're also gonna see the ability to connect to Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, TikTok Shop, wherever you decide to sell your products. But we are focused right now on just the shower curtain. So I'm gonna go ahead and type the shower curtains in. And you can see here that we've got a good supplier shipping from the United States and from Germany. $38 to fulfill with $8.50 shipping. So we are going to list this for the same price of $78, and we're going to have a nice profit margin with this design. But you can see here that people are willing to pay even more for shower curtains for the right designs. But let's go ahead and actually upload the golden retriever design that we created. Here it is. We can stretch this out to fit the size of the shower curtain, or again, if you're wanting to create a seamless repeating pattern, we can simply create a pattern and then we can choose how to space this out. So let's do the vertical spacing. Let's shrink the design and then let's preview what this looks like. So obviously this is just an example product. You're going to want to do your product research and figure out what products people actually want to buy, what's actually in demand. But just to show you as an example how easy it is to create a seamless repeating pattern, there is our design on our shower curtain, and we even have mock-ups ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit save product, and here inside of Printify, which is free to use, they do offer different mock-ups for you to choose from. But if you're looking for more options, you can use something like Placeit. With Placeit, you can search for a mock-up for anything, including shower curtains, and then you can simply place your design on that shower curtain there on Placeit. So I'll put a link for all of these tools in the video description. There's a free Google Doc that's going to have all of the information and all of the prompts that we've used today. So go ahead and grab that. Now again, this can be sold on any platform. TikTok Shop is a big one right now. Obviously Amazon is huge. Walmart, Shopify. I highly recommend print-on-demand sellers eventually work towards opening their own Shopify store and building their own website and own brand. But the fastest way for most sellers to get started and to get used to the process is probably joining a platform like Etsy and getting started by selling their designs there. And the great news is once you create the product one time inside of Printify, you're going to be able to duplicate that product over to Etsy, Shopify, or anywhere you decide to sell across multiple shops. Another great feature is that we can actually generate our listing description automatically with AI, which was a big pain point in the past, was actually having to sit here and put together the description, get ourselves a good title, figure out our best tags. Well, Printify handles all of that at this point for most platforms. And a lot of it is automated, and they have personalization options. So if we wanted to give the option for people to put their own dog and upload a photo of their own dog, and then we put it on the shower curtain, we could do that by enabling personalization here inside of Printify. You're gonna have the option to choose between offering standard shipping and economy. I would go ahead and just check both of them. And then go ahead and automatically assign a new shipping profile. For your pricing, again, you can choose whatever price you want, but I would give yourself anywhere between a 30 to 40% profit margin, and you should be in a good spot. So that's pretty much it. We could hit publish here and it would go live, and that's the entire process for getting our product from creation to posted and live and actually for sale. So it only took us a few minutes to actually go through this process. And of course, you want to do product research before you go and create these designs, because this was just a fun design that we created here today, but I wouldn't actually sell this. I would take the time to do product research and recreate these designs that we're seeing that work well in the marketplace. And the goal is never to copy another design. It's to get inspired by what's working so that we know what people want, so that we can put our creative touch into these designs and put them out into the world. And people even sell these designs just as a digital standalone product, where that they can actually just send the digital file, the customer can download it, and then they can use it however they want. So this can unlock a lot of potential in your print-on-demand business, and it is a free tool to get started with. It's called Playground. If you want to start selling your AI art, to join Printify, to start listing your art on different products so that you can start basically creating what I would call online real estate out there so that you have more opportunities to earn sales. So I hope that this was helpful for some of you that maybe have been wondering how to create seamless patterns. I'm always wanting to hear from you and know what you want. So if there's a specific tutorial you want to see, or if there's something that you've been struggling with, let me know in the comments and I would love to create a video. This video was actually partially inspired because someone left a comment and asked for the tutorial for how to create these designs. So if you need anything, let me know in the comments. I also have a free Facebook group that you can get a hold of me in. So if you need anything, definitely join that free Facebook group. We're talking about what works, what doesn't work as far as AI and print on demand and different AI tools and strategies. So be sure to join that for free. There's a link in the description. And finally, guys, I do strategy calls one-on-one over Zoom. So if you need a specific strategy, or if there's something that you want me to help you with, I would love to schedule some time and get to know you and your business. Otherwise, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I hope you use these tools to create something awesome, and I will see you in the next video.